Welcome to the Lincoln Electric Cobot training. In this video, you will learn how to safely unbox and power on the Cobot. The Cobot will come boxed and banded to a skid, just as you see here. Extra care should be taken when unloading the Cobot from the truck, since some components may be mounted to the outside of the structures where they could be exposed and unprotected. First, begin by removing the outer plastic wrapped around the Cobot. Next, cut the two bands holding the Cobot to the skid and discard. To remove the Cobot from the skid, place the arms of the tow motor under the center of the cart and lift the Cobot up and off the skid. Since the Cobot is designed as a complete mobile cart system, you can set it down anywhere you would like and easily maneuver it into place. To improve mobility, the cart is also designed to easily fit through a standard door and includes a kickstand cart stabilizer for easy leveling. While unpacking, ensure that all items have been received and inspect the system and all components for any possible damage. For reference of included items, you can always refer to the user manual available online. To power on the Cobot, you will need access to both a standard 120-volt outlet and a three-phase 200 to 600-volt outlet. Simply plug the Cobot into the standard 120-volt outlet. Then plug the PowerWave R450 into the three-phase outlet. Now locate the teach pendant. Plug in the teach pendant and ensure that the cable is securely connected. Next, turn it on by pressing and holding the button located on the top right side of the teach pendant. From the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to unlock and locate the teach pendant's TP app. Tap to open. You will now see a connection screen and will be taken to the teach pendant main control screen. Finally, power on the Cobot systems by turning the breakers located on the front of the robot controller box and the PowerWave R450 to the on position. Thank you. Be sure to check out our library of videos for more tips and troubleshooting information related to your Lincoln Electric Cobot.